Hello everybody. So today we are going to learn how to build numbers with place value blocks. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is this block? 100. Very good. What is this block? 10. Excellent. And what is this block? 1. Okay. So with hundreds, tens and ones, we will build numbers. Okay. So one of you give me one number. Yes.
345.
So we will make 345. 100, 200, 300. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 300, 4 tens, 5 ones, 345. So let us all make our own numbers. Today we have learned how to build numbers with place value blocks. Did you all enjoy?
Yeah!
Very good. So this you can try it with your family members, your parents, your relatives, your friends. Okay? You can also make it as a number game. Yes? So will you all try it again?
Yeah!
Great. Excellent.